Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a set in the Quizlet flashcard and homework application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the library button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the plus sign at the top of the page on the right. So in order to create a set, you need to provide a title first, and then you need to select a language, and then just enter the term and its definition, and you can do that several times if you want to. And you can also provide the description of your set and scan any document related to that. And once you're ready, just click on the done button, and you can either save it as a draft or you can delete this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.